Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of disabling sound notifications for stories in Telegram. Are you tired of hearing sound notifications for stories and prefer a quieter experience? Well, you're in luck. Telegram allows you to easily disable sound notifications for stories, giving you a more peaceful and silent browsing experience. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process of disabling sound notifications for stories. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Step 2. In the top left corner of the screen, tap on the 3 stacked lines. This will open the menu options. Step 3. From the menu, select Notification and Sounds. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Story Sound. Step 4. Tap on the Story Sound option. You'll see a list of sound settings. Tap on No Sound to disable sound notifications for stories. By following these simple steps, you can easily disable sound notifications for stories in Telegram, ensuring a more peaceful and silent browsing experience. Disabling sound notifications for stories is especially useful if you find the sounds to be distracting, or if you prefer to enjoy stories in silence. It allows you to focus on the visual content without any audio interruptions. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a more peaceful browsing experience with Telegram stories.